Eventually, most online purchases will be delivered by drone. A drone can be an aerial craft, a driverless vehicle, or a robot, in addition to deliveries from a mail carrier or UPS. But while delivery services are evolving, our mailbox isn't. In fact, it hasn't been changed since 1858. No wonder we have problems like package theft, lost deliveries, and wrong addresses. Introducing Dronedek. Dronedek is a smart and secure mailbox allowing delivery by drones. Dronedek holds a robust first-position patent portfolio for secure drone package receiving and storage. Dronedek is a next-gen smart mailbox that accepts all types of deliveries and pickups, including food, parcel, medical, and traditional mail. Dronedek is using a platform-agnostic approach to consolidate and funnel deliveries and pickups from all carriers, couriers, and logistics services to set GPS-verified locations. Dronedek's versatility means it's compatible with a wide range of delivery services, including conventional, autonomous, robotic, and drone delivery methods. Dronedek has potential to disrupt the mailbox, packaging, and shipping industry as a whole. This could be huge, but don't just take our word for it. Amazon tried to patent this technology for themselves. Lucky for us, we beat them to the punch, along with many more patents. Amazon saw the opportunity, but was too slow. What about you? Will you be a part of the delivery revolution, or beating yourself up 10 years later, saying I could've and I should've? Imagine millions of houses with Dronedeks in front. Now, imagine being an early shareholder in Dronedek. Invest now and don't miss out. We believe this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. While our phones, our cars, and all other conveniences of our day-to-day lives have been updated, mailboxes have remained the same. Dronedek brings the mailbox into the 21st century and will disrupt the mailbox industry forever. Invest now and join the revolution.